Welcome back to the channel. We're back on this 8300 project. As you saw in the last video, if you didn't, go back and watch it. This tractor was rolled over. We bought it totaled at the insurance auction. And I'm also going to be talking about price. So stay tuned in this video. You guys had a lot of close guesses. Thanks for all the comments. But we're going to give this a shakedown. We want to make sure the powertrain's good, number one. But we're also itching, probably like you guys, to see what this thing will do out in the field. And heck, why not? We got nothing to lose. So let's get this tractor fired up and get out there. Got to open the door up. Here we go. It's about 40 degrees out, so this will be a bit of a cold start. Still got battery power. Let's see what we got. We thought we were going to hook up to the chisel plow, but the quick hitch isn't matching up, and it's getting dark on us, so we want to get some tillage done, recreational, and so let's go hook up to the disc for fun. Andrew's using the bale bed to lift up the trailer out of the way. Got our Humvee junkyard and then the disc over there. Spot from last year. Well, it's a little muddy, as you can tell, to be out here disking, but we still had a lot of fun. Got a good shakedown on the tractor. We know the transmission shifts under load, the engine revs to full RPM and stays cool. The hydraulics work, the front wheel drive works, as we could test out, and it pulls real good. We just had to stop because if you come over here, we got something that's rubbing on the exhaust right after the turbo that started smoking, and I do not want to burn this down. Although it get a lot of clicks on YouTube, I don't have money to be doing that. So we had to shut her down. But now it's time to reveal how much I paid and get this budget tracker started. So we had a lot of great guesses, and thanks to all you guys that commented guesses on the video. And so the auction is Insurance Auto Auctions, and basically you'll bid it up and then they have a chance to counter. And I can't remember what the ending bid was, but or what our bid was and what we countered at, but ultimately we paid $24,875 on the auction. But Insurance Auto Auctions has got to make money. So Insurance Auto Auctions charged a fee of $37.31, $95, $99, and $15 for a grand total of $28,815.20. So basically $29,000 for this tractor. Press and pause. I was editing this video. It's now the next day, and I realized I didn't even announce the winners of the 8300 toy giveaway. And you heard that right. There's two winners. The first 29,000 guess was from Blake Silva, 6539. So I created an email address. It's in my bio, and I should, if I figure it out, put a link or at least the address right here. And then the second guess of 29,000 was from East Big Rock Farm. Again, email address in my bio, and hopefully I have that here too for you guys. And shoot me your name and where you need that tractor shipped to, and I'll get both of those coming to you guys. So again, thanks for all the guesses, and congrats to the winners. Hopefully we can make it make sense. I got an idea what I think it's going to cost to fix it. I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't. But I want to know down below in the comments how much you guys think it's going to take to get this tractor back in the field appropriately. What a gorgeous sunset over the 8300 in West Central Missouri. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.